Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper spray arm assembly in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper spray arm assembly. The upper spray arm is mounted at the bottom of the upper dish rack and washes the dishes in the upper and the lower dish racks. The main reason why the upper spray arm should be replaced is if it cracks, causing low water pressure, or gets badly clogged with debris and stops turning. In both cases, the result is dirty dishes. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Now we're going to pull out the upper dish rack. And now we're going to unscrew the nut on the top of the spray arm, turning it, if you look from the bottom, turning it counterclockwise. It came off real easily because it's broken. This is the old upper spray arm assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, there's 3 small tabs here on the nut, which are going to be locked on the spray arm supply tube. I'm going to put it on, and then I'm going to turn that nut clockwise until it locks. And now we can push the upper dish rack in and close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.